Welcome to LearnCodeFuel. In this video, we'll master the JavaScript map method in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. The map method creates a new array by applying a function to each element of an existing array. It doesn't change the original array. Here's a simple example. We use map to double each number in the array. The result is a new array, 2, 4, 6. You can also use map with objects. Here, we extract just the names from an array of user objects. One common mistake is forgetting the return statement when using traditional functions. Remember, map must return a value for each element. To recap, map creates a new array, doesn't change the original, and is perfect for transforming data in a clean way. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more quick coding lessons. See you in the next one.